Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Pharma. If you want to learn the reasons and solutions of tablet compression defects in short description, this video is for you. If you want to learn details of tablet compression defects and their solution, link of video is given in description. Must watch the video. What are the reasons of tablet capping and lamination? Formulation related issues of tablet capping and lamination and their solution are: less binder results in capping and lamination, increase the amount of binder; more fine result in capping and lamination, reduce the fine; large granule size result capping and lamination, reduce the granule size; less moisture content result capping lamination, moisten your granules; and lubrication concentration is high, reduce the concentration of lubricant; mixing time with lubricant is very high, reduce the mixing time with lubricant. Compression machine related issues are: deep concave shape tooling result in capping lamination, do not use deep concave tooling; worn out dies, use the new tooling; high pressure, reduce the pressure; increase machine speed, capping and lamination result due to increased machine speed, reduce the machine speed; less dwell time, increase dwell time; air entrapment result capping and lamination, use taper dies and pre-compression roller; swipe of blade adjustment is improper, properly adjust swipe of blade. Sticking and picking reasons: higher moisture content, more fine hygroscopic materials in your formulation, case hardening; less lubricant, so properly dry your formulation or product; reduce the fine, do not use hygroscopic materials; case hardening, the link of video is given in description, must watch the video; and increase the amount of lubricant. What are the machine related? Rough punch surface is used, may result in sticking and picking, use properly chrome coated punches; rough dies bore may result in sticking and picking, use the new dies for it; low compression pressure, increase the compression pressure. If logo and letters are very close and deep, it will result in sticking and picking. Weight variation: more fine result in flow issue, reduce the fine concentration; granule size is large, improper die filling, weight variation will result, reduce the granule size; higher moisture content result in weight variation due to rat hole, properly dry your granules; height of hopper is not adjusted properly, result in weight variation, properly adjust the height of hopper base; blockage of feeder housing, properly inspect the feeder housing; punch length is not uniform; then stucking of the lower punches, properly lubricate the punches and ensure free movement of lower punches; feeding rate is not according to the speed, adjust your feeding rate; friability problem, amount of binder is less, increase the amount of binder; over dried granules, properly dry your granules; granule size is large, reduce the granule size; lubrication concentration is high, reduce the lubrication concentration; high pressure, reduce the pressure; machine speed high, reduce your machine speed; low hardness, high moisture content, reduce the moisture content; if granules are over dried, apply the moisture content; less kneading time, increase the kneading time; oversized granules, reduce the granule size; lubricant concentration and amount is very high, reduce its amount; higher speed and less dwell time also result in low hardness; double impression, free movement of lower punches, try to use keyed punches for lower punches if you have embossing or bisect line; rat holing, more fine result in rat holing; more moisture content, less glidant and lubricant result in rat holing, so increase lubricant or glidant concentration, reduce fine concentration; improper hopper base adjustment, properly adjust the hopper base. Next one is black particles. Black particles are due to the burning of the lubricant, properly lubricate your machine; then due to the sticking of powder or towel, so properly dry your formulation. So it was all about brief description to the issues related to the tablet compression. Must watch the complete detailed video on this topic. The link of video is given in description and the link of article is also given in description. Must watch Pharma Inform to learn more. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.